online at our website, vonradio.com, as well as our Facebook page at Von Radio and our YouTube channel. Of course, we have a couple of representatives here in our studios with us here at Von Radio, and I'm going to give them an opportunity to introduce themselves, well, himself actually. And good afternoon, Mr. Matthew.
And to your listeners, it's a pleasure to be in studio today instead of doing it remotely. It's very good to be in Nevis, and we thank you very much for the opportunity to present to your listening and viewing public today.
Mr. Matthew, of course, could you just tell the public basically, who you are and why is it you're here?
My name is Dominic Matthew, and I'm the marketing assistant in the TDC Client Relations and Marketing Department. Ever so often, we make these rounds with the media to promote our offerings for the public so that they too can have an idea as to what we're doing across the company and what benefits there are for them at not only our retail stores but also our financial institutions.
And Mr. Matthew, in light of that, is it safe to say that you basically have some sort of goodies, so to speak, for the public?
Of course, every time we come, it's always a basket, bundle, truckload of goodies. So yes, I am here with the goodies. Yes, I did bring the goodies. Remotely I bring the goodies, but I'm in Nevis today, so I'm delivering the goodies.
In light of that, Mr. Matthew, what is it TDC is having at this present time, though, in light of the promotions, whatever it is that the company is offering?
We're doing quite a bit and some extra as well, and again, thanks for the opportunity. So I'll now let the public know what we're doing. Since I'm in Nevis, we'll start with Nevis, and this is Renal Awareness Month at the City Drug Store Nevis Limited, and we're focusing on kidney health throughout the entire month, so you can give your kidneys health a second thought with supplements from the City Drug Store Nevis Limited, and that's taking place for the entire month of March. At our home and building depots, it's our Farmers Appreciation Month, and we're giving farmers, backyard garden farmers, horticulturalists, crop farmers, livestock farmers, the whole gamut of farmers, we're giving them the opportunity to get 20% off all lawn and garden products, or agro products as the case may be, and those are available at our home and building depots. And for the Nevision public, yes, Pennies is the place to shop for all your lawn and garden products this month. Every Saturday here in Nevis as well, we've partnered with the farming community, and we have farmers stationed at the store to sell their produce or ornamentals or whatever it is. So we've partnered with the local farming community to give them another opportunity to ply their trade as well. So we're doing that at the at the home and building depot here in Nevis. In St. Kitts, we're doing the farmers market at the end of the month, and that farmers market again is giving local farmers an opportunity to have additional exposure when our clients and customers come through our doors. Still on home and building depot, we have our hire purchase promotion, all things hire purchase, where we're offering 20% off new hire purchase contracts with purchases, quality product purchases from the home and building depot. And of course, we're giving 20 lucky customers. This is 2020, so we're sticking with the 20. We're giving 20 lucky customers an opportunity to receive 20 prizes, and one of those lucky 20 customers will receive their hire purchase payments waived. So we're going to give you your hire purchase application free for that particular all things hire purchase promotion. The TDC Financial Services Company has just introduced its Easter loan promotion, where you can get up to $20,000 available for your debt consolidation, renovation, etc. And that is with a repayment time of up to 3 years. We also have our land loan offer. Persons who want to own a piece of the rock can do so, and we are giving them a very low interest rate of 8.5% on that particular loan payment for a 10-year period. So for those persons who are looking to own a piece of the rock, you can do so. You come to our financial advisors in the Longstone building in Main Street, and they will be more than happy to assist you. Of course, it's 8.5% interest, and our repayment term is up to 10 years. We haven't forgotten the TDC Insurance Company Limited, which is in the same building, same proximity. They have launched their teachers promotion, and we're giving teachers across Nevis, yes, teachers across Nevis, and of course in St. Kitts, an opportunity to take part in this particular teachers promotion. And I'm just going to give you some of the particulars. You get free alternative vehicle in the event of an accident, flexible premium financing, a referral cashback, additional discounts with bundle policies, free content insurance, and discounts starting from 10%. Somewhere in there I mentioned bundle policies. We're also doing bundle and save. So if you have a vehicle and a property insurance package, you can bundle both of them together and save by paying one premium.
Mr. Matthew, in light of that, could you just quickly divulge into, let's say, the interest rates with regards to the promotions and what's not? Is there an interest rate? Sorry, with regards to you made mention of the $20,000 with regards to the loan and what's not. What is the interest rates like?
The interest rates are very flexible because we recognize that persons would have different requirements. We tend to be very flexible with the interest rate. So it's not something that's hard, sharp, and fast. We've made it flexible for the different types of clients that we get. Also, if I may take an opportunity to do so, we are now on coronavirus COVID-19 alert, and I'd like to inform the public that the company has taken the requisite steps to ensure the safety of our employees and of course our valued customers. So we've put certain things in place for them to still have a good shopping experience with us. We've employed a group-wide deep sanitation process that's for all departments. So for those retail outlets, we are sanitizing our carts, counters, shelves, trays on a daily basis, sometimes twice, 3, 4 times a day, to ensure that we still keep the experience for them and to have that peace of mind that they've come to expect from us. We are using gloves, we're using sanitization products. We have a few sanitization centers set up as well. So for those persons who are wondering what we are doing, we still care about you and we value your business. So we've put these COVID preventative measures in place across the TDC group.
Mr. Matthew, in light of the COVID-19 outbreak and what's not, is the company considering perhaps a COVID-19 promotion?
Well, that might be something for us to consider. I'll make mention of it, of course. But now that you've mentioned a COVID-19 promotion, we just came from the City Drug Store on Main Street, and I can tell you that we have a number of products there, charts, tables, activity kits for those persons who are thinking in the near future isolation may become a reality. We just like to let them know that we have these products available, these activity kits, charts, and so on. So if you have an isolation issue in the near future, we have the products in store that you can stock up on now. I think the Easter vacation is just around the corner as well, so that would also be a good opportunity for you to purchase those items at very good prices, reasonable and affordable prices, so you don't get caught out in the rain and wonder, well, what do I do? Here's something you can consider going into the Easter holidays, or even in hindsight, the COVID-19 issue as we're facing now.
Mr. Matthew, with regards to that, you made mention of earlier, of course, with regards to something for the teachers, I believe.
That is correct, yeah.
And with regards to, if you touched a little bit on it, could you just provide some more details in that regard?
Sure. It's a promotion for teachers, primary school, preschool, secondary, tertiary. Nevis Sixth Form in this case. It's a promotion geared towards teachers specifically. So you come into our insurance company on Main Street in Charlestown, or you can do so at the corners of Bank and West Square Street in St. Kitts. And it's a package that offers you a free alternative vehicle. So you have to take an insurance policy with us. So you have to take an insurance policy for your vehicle with us in order to get these additional benefits. So you come in, you sit with one of our advisors, of course, and you take an insurance policy with us for your vehicle. And you qualify to get an alternative vehicle with this particular promotion, an alternative vehicle in the event of an accident, free flexible premium financing, referral cashback. So you can do a referral. It comes with a referral policy, so I can refer someone else and then benefit from the cashback once they qualify and they take an insurance vehicle package from us. You get additional discounts with bundle price policies. So if you want to bundle and save, you can do that as well. Or if you want to put your insurance and your property vehicle together, if you're a teacher and you have a home and a vehicle, you can put both together and you can benefit from those bundle policies because you've put both of them together under one premium payment. You can do that as well. You get free content insurance and discounts starting from 10%. So it's a fully comprehensive package for those teachers who are looking to switch. If you want to switch and come to TDC Insurance Company Limited, this is an opportunity for you to do so. Or if you're looking for an insurance provider for your vehicle, this is an opportunity for you to do that as well, because we also have a package called First Cover for first-time vehicle owners as well.
Mr. Matthews, in light of all that you've said, of course, is there an objective the company wishes to achieve in light of all of these promotions and what's not?
But we believe at the TDC Group of Companies in listening to our customers and clients, because we feel that in listening to them and interacting with them, it is only through that kind of interaction and that kind of engagement that we could hear their concerns and tailor these packages to them. So we really appreciate the feedback that our customers and clients continue to give us day in, day out, week in, week out, whether it's in person, whether it's in writing, whether it's via our social media platforms, which I'd like to give a plug for that now. I'd like the public to continue looking at our Facebook and Instagram pages to get additional information about our products and services. So it's only through this type of interaction that we can continue to create these promotions and offers and packages to their benefit. Because in most instances, if not all of the instances, this is really for them, so that they can benefit, so that they can have opportunities available to them, so that they can save, etc.
Mr. Matthew, is there anything you would like to add in all that you have said? Anything that you perhaps feel that the public should, hey, maybe I should highlight this for them, or, you know, anything at all?
But I'd really like to say thank you to the persons who continue to patronize our businesses week in, week out, day in, day out, year in, year out. We're very grateful for the business that they continue to bring to us, and we are continuing to provide these promotions and activities for them. And for those persons who might have missed the little bit that we did on COVID-19, we are giving you the assurance that we've taken the necessary preventative measures. We've been working with the health officials. As a matter of fact, we've had presentations from the health officials, and we've put certain policies in place to ensure that the customer experience remains the same.
Mr. Matthew, I was hoping you would have perhaps said you have some free money for the customers, but I guess we're going to have to let that one slide,
well,
sir.
Well, who knows? Maybe the next time I come to Nevis, we could do that instead of remotely.
And finally, in closing, Mr. Matthew, is there any well, that should have been the penultimate plug, but is there any final plug you would like to make to the public out there? Any plea or anything? Any you know, any words of encouragement, so to speak, to the public?
The best place to shop, TDC Group of Companies, any of our retail outlets, our financial units, because we make it easier, better, and together we succeed.
By the way, Mr. Matthew, are there any, could you just give a general synopsis of the requirements with regards to these promotions?
There are specific requirements for the respective promotions. So for those persons who would like to know, you can contact our office at 465-2511 or 469-5430. You can also send us a message via our Facebook platform, and we'll be more than happy to provide the additional information that they need to qualify.
Mr. Matthew, thank you for your time, and all the best in your endeavors and the company's endeavors, where, of course, the motto is together we succeed, and we really do hope that you guys continue to succeed in the business endeavors and future plans and what's not. So, Mr. Matthew, thank you for your time. Hope you have a great day, as well as you and the company. And in spite of the COVID-19 that's going on about, I hope the company will continue to strive, of course.
Thank you, and of course we will. Of course we will. With partnerships like these, yes, of course we will.